Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're not receiving your Scotiabank verification code, here's what to do. First, wait at least 1 minute and check your messages again. Also, try reloading it by swiping it down from your screen. Sometimes the code is delayed. Then, make sure your phone has a strong network signal and then make sure the airplane mode is turned off. Then check if your registered phone number is correct on your Scotiabank profile. If the code was sent by email, go to the email app. Click on the three-line option in the top left corner. Then check your spam or junk folder for the code. Now you can also request the code again, but avoid requesting code too many times quickly. If the problem continues, contact Scotiabank support to verify your account details. This should help you receive your verification code successfully, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.